Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can factory reset all your computer's data with settings without control panels, since most people end up doing the common mistake of resetting their computers so badly, so Microsoft has developed a new way you can auto factory reset your computer without going in control panels. This way is so safe and useful, so simply start by opening settings. Then find Updates and Security. Now that it's been opened, you can see that here are the only options to update your Windows, recover data, Windows recovery, backing up data, troubleshooting, and so many more. So you might ask yourself, where do I reset my computer from? It's simple, simply go on recovery. And now as you can see, this is where you can reset your whole computer data from. So simply click on Getting Started. And now as you can see, you have been given a choose to either keep some files and remove others, which means some files would be deleted aside from those you chose to keep, and beneath it says removing everything, which means from everything you have put in your computer since you last started using till now, they will all be removed, so now you can choose accordingly to however choice you would like. And be careful while acquiring this method, you need to make sure that your computer has enough power battery, because if not, your computer would experience major issues that would put it at risk. Hence why if you are planning to reset it, you have to make sure you have enough power battery, because your computer can't reset with charging. As you can see, my computer is on battery alone. So simply try selecting any option you would like, and wait. And now as you can see from this notification, your computer can't reset without being charged, so make sure it's charged. So after doing everything needed, you can reset your computer by completing further instructions. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.